In this video, we're going to be going over how to upload files to ChatGPT. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Once we're on the main page of ChatGPT, we can upload files by clicking the plus icon to the right of the prompt box, then select Add Photos and Files. If we hover over Add from Apps, we have the option to upload files from our Google Drive or OneDrive. The file upload feature allows ChatGPT to directly read and analyse your documents for summaries, insights or answers. The types of files we can upload include text files, spreadsheets, PDFs and images. I'm simply going to upload this CV, then type, "Please can you review my CV and suggest some improvements to make it better." It has now listed out a variety of improvements that could be made to the CV that I have uploaded. ChatGPT is also able to understand images and answer questions based on them. I'm going to upload this image and ask, "What is this image of?" Within seconds, it has detected that this is an image of the Empire State Building and has even provided some additional information that may be useful. That's all we have for this video on uploading files to ChatGPT. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.